You might think arcs are simple, but there's a lot you can do. So join me and learn more about creating and managing arcs. Now if you really like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps other people to find these videos. If you found this video was really useful for you, hey, why not give me a super thanks and reward me for doing a good job? And if you're not already a subscriber, think about it. Click on the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new movie. Let's get started. I was teaching someone the other day how to use the arc tool, and I was surprised at just how many uses there are and how powerful it can be. So first of all, the first one is the radius mode. So if I touch that point there, touch this point here, I can find the center. That's my center. That'll be a radius. And I'm just using a heavy red line so it's easy for you to see, which is pretty cool. But you can also do other things. So for example, I want to use this one. I've got something set up. I want to show you how to use that. Let's delete that one. So arc to a tangent. So we create a tangent like that. And then this arc is at a tangent to that line, which is really quite easy. This one here is really cool where we go click here, click there, and then we can choose how much we want. Let's do that again. So I was teaching someone the other day and they needed an arc in this area here. So they needed to create this vaulted ceiling, so I used this mode here to try and create just the shape they wanted. There's this one where we can actually do the same thing, but this time put in a distance. So this radius is going to be a barrel vault. Let's make it 30 meters, and you get a really shallow barrel vault to that. This one allows you to play with it and choose how high this goes, above that guideline you're going to be. And there we are. And this one, click there, and we can specify the chord length for this one. And that's my chord length there.